What if the very first minutes after you open your eyes are quietly lowering your energy, slowing your circulation, and dulling your drive before your feet even touch the floor? No gimmicks, no miracle pills, just a small, science-guided reset you can begin tomorrow morning. I'm Dara Calorina, Men's Health, and for over 15 years I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond rebuild strength, restore performance, and regain confidence naturally. Here's the part almost no one says out loud. This isn't only a testosterone story, and it isn't simply because you're older. For many men, the real bottleneck is sluggish blood flow, especially through the tiny vessels that matter for clarity, stamina, and sexual responsiveness. The encouraging news? You can start improving that before you even reach for your toothbrush, and it takes just a few focused minutes. If what I'm saying resonates, if staying sharp, energized, and confident matters to you, tap subscribe right now. That single click tells me I'm reaching men who take action, not chances, and it makes sure you don't miss the simple tools I drop each week to protect your edge as you age. Let me ask you this: what's your first move after waking? Scroll your phone, skip water, shuffle to the coffee machine, sit and slouch. Those tiny choices seem harmless, but they constrict vessels, concentrate your morning blood, and slowly siphon the spark that makes you feel alive as a man. The fix is simple: 3 intentional minutes each morning, and you can begin restoring that power, no matter your age or starting point. Stay with me, because once you understand how this works, you won't want to start your day any other way. Here are the steps you came for. Step 1. Water first. Overnight you lose fluid through breathing and urination, which leaves your blood a little thicker and slower, especially down below. The moment you wake, drink a tall glass of room temperature water, about 12 to 16 ounces, roughly 350 to 500 milliliters. Slow, steady sips. If you're a heavy sweater or live in a hot climate, a small pinch of mineral salt or a squeeze of lemon can help you absorb it better. If your clinician has asked you to limit fluids for heart, kidney, or liver issues, follow their guidance and adjust the amount. Step 2. Wake the pelvic system with calm breathing and gentle muscle engagement. Stand tall with feet hip-width, jaw and shoulders relaxed. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 6. Do this for about a minute. On each exhale, lightly tighten your glutes and lower abdomen. Think 30% effort, then fully release on the inhale. You're not clenching. You're rhythmically nudging blood toward the pelvis while signaling your nervous system to switch from clamp and rush to circulate and focus. If standing makes you lightheaded, do the first 3 breaths seated on the edge of the bed, then stand. Step 3. Clear the lower body highway. Your calves are a second pump for circulation. Spend about a minute on smooth calf raises or brisk foot pumps, up for 1 to 2 seconds. Pause, down for 1 to 2 seconds, then add a few hip hinges. If your back and hips allow, soften the knees. Send the hips back with a long spine. Squeeze the glutes to stand tall. This combo moves oxygen-rich blood from the ground up through the hips and into the pelvis and core. If balance is an issue, hold a counter. If joints are cranky, swap hinges for easy sit-to-stands or do seated ankle pumps. Simple, effective, done. That's the whole routine. 3 steps. Roughly 3 minutes. No equipment, no gym, no special program. Done consistently, it brings your vitality back online, and it travels well so you can do it at home, on the road, or in a hotel room. Now, let me break down why this works, especially for men in their 60s, 70s, and 80s. First, hydration. After a night without fluids, blood becomes more concentrated. More concentrated blood doesn't glide as easily through the smallest vessels, the same network that supports brain clarity, morning energy, and reliable sexual response. Water first thing helps restore fluid balance, supports your heart's ability to move blood where it's needed, and sets a calmer foundation for the morning stress surge. Second, breathing plus gentle pelvic activation. Slow nasal-led breathing lengthens the exhale, which lowers early morning tension signals that otherwise tighten vessels. Pairing that breath with a light glute and low core squeeze on the exhale wakes the deep pelvic floor and surrounding muscles, structures that naturally assist blood flow to the region you care about without straining or overworking. If you like, you can hum softly on 1 or 2 exhales. Many men find this opens nasal passages and encourages smooth airflow as they start the day. Third, foot and calf movement. Those muscles act like a return pump, helping send blood upward against gravity. A short series of smooth raises or foot pumps, followed by a few hip hinges, opens tight hips from a night of stillness and drives fresh circulation through the pelvis and abdominal organs. Think of the sequence as thin the river, open the gates, pump the route. Here's a little extra that makes this even better. If you tolerate caffeine, consider waiting about 45 to 60 minutes before your first coffee. Water and calm breathing first can reduce the early clamp on your vessels and keep energy steadier. If you can, step outside for a minute of daylight or stand near a bright window after the routine. Morning light helps set your body clock, which supports stronger sleep at night and better circulation the next day. And if you have 2 extra minutes, a relaxed walk around the room or down the hall keeps the pump going while you plan your day. What results should you expect? In the first 3 to 5 days, most men notice warmer hands and feet, steadier starts, and a clearer head. By 7 to 10 days, you'll often feel deeper changes, more dependable morning firmness, smoother energy into late morning, and the quiet sense that your body is working with you, not against you. Over 2 to 4 weeks, the effect compounds, especially if you pair this with decent sleep. A daily 5 to 10 minute walk and sufficient protein at meal. Track it, if you like. Put a glass by the bed tonight. Set a 3-minute timer in the morning and jot 1 line each day. Today I felt. Let's be smart about safety. If you've had recent pelvic surgery, active pelvic pain, or a clinician has asked you to limit fluids, adjust these steps with your medical team. Stop and seek care if you notice chest pain, severe breathlessness, fainting, or a new, one-sided, swollen, painful calf. For everyone else, keep the effort gentle, the movements smooth, and the breaths unhurried. This is not a treatment for disease. It's a low-risk way to support morning circulation and energy. Here's the honest truth. Many men will hear this and do nothing. They'll drift back to old habits and wonder why their spark fades a little more each year. But you're still listening, and that tells me you're different. You're ready to lead your health without waiting for permission. If you've come this far, make it count. Click subscribe so this message reaches the men who refuse to fade quietly. Commit to this 3-minute ritual every morning for the next 7 days. Then come back and comment, "I'm back and I feel it." Tell me what changed. Warmer hands, steadier energy, better responsiveness, so I can tailor the next tool to you. Remember this, 3 minutes each morning to reclaim your blood flow, your confidence, your power. You don't have to feel invisible, not in your relationship, not at work, not in your own body. The switch is already inside you. This ritual is how you flip it. If this spoke to you, type "I'm ready" in the comments, tap like so more men can find it. Subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tool that can move your life forward. Stay consistent. Stay strong. I'll see you in the next one.